Hey everybody, how's it going? What's going on? Okay, today is the 2nd of January. I hope you had a wonderful year. And I just got to Meguro because I'm joining my friend Kohki and 2 other friends actually. Because the next 2 days we're going to be going to Kawaguchiko, which is a location where you can see the Mount Fuji. So yeah, we're going to be spending the night over there, catching sunset, shooting stars at night, and then catching sunrise the next morning, and then driving back to Tokyo. So just got to Meguro, and now I need to find Kohki somewhere. I actually haven't eaten anything, so I hope the boys also didn't have lunch yet because I'm so hungry. I want to be able to stop somewhere and have something to eat. I'm just having like coffee right now. Check out for the vending machine. If you've never been to Japan, vending machines over here are like the best thing ever. You can just get like any type of warm drinks, cold drinks, any time of the day. And they have a vending machine every like 12 meters in Japan. Kohki had to repark because he was doing a terrible parking job. It's a bit better now. So we've been driving for a little bit now and we've stopped by parking lot to get some food because the 3 of us have not eaten anything since this morning. By the way, Kiara just joined us. Just stopping by the family mart and getting something quickly because we need to hit the sunset, which is in like 2 hours, and we're gonna get there like just on time. So getting some quick food, and yeah, we're gonna be hitting the spot. That's Kiara, by the way, and Kohki is behind. We're from America and getting more fun. Made it to our first location. Oh, I was in trouble again. Now we're gonna take the drone out, and there's a nice layer of clouds right above the Fuji right now. So yeah, let's see where we can get. I think they're a little bit high for the drone. I don't think the drone is gonna be able to get above it, but might take some regular shots as well.
I hate this noise. This noise is like...
It's the worst sound.
Okay.
Ooh, that's sick. I'm gonna get it. But my hands are freezing and... We're done shooting the sunset. Wow, it's like blown out right now, but the sun is kind of gone. It's going away. My hands are like frozen. It was difficult to control the drone with my hands not being like very mobile. But yeah, we got the shots. We're going back somewhere to get dinner, and gonna come back later at night to shoot some stars.
It's as clean as the... What's up, guys? This is Spider-Man.
We're heading to dinner. We have settled for sushi. This is gonna be one of my last meals in Japan.
What?
So.
It sounds so sad.
Wow, it's such a huge sushi place. There's like trains running around. From here. Is that mine or?
I think so. Yeah. Whoa.
Yay!
So,
I'm so happy.
Wait, so you're gonna get the rhino, right?
I'm gonna, okay, 1, 2, 3. And if
So you're gonna
me,
buy 3.
Kill me, no, I'm gonna buy 1, but kill me when I get goat. Because I hate goats.
Come on, goat. No, it has to be the goat. It has to be.
Oh, it's a big cat. No, it's a fucking goat.
Oh, dude!
But it's so cute though. It's a bad.
Okay, so we're finished eating. I'm completely stuffed with sushi. We are actually currently at Uniqlo because we're gonna be shooting stars tonight and it's gonna be pretty cold. And Kiara doesn't have gloves. I do have gloves, but they're not super warm, so I'm thinking of getting the warmer ones, which I'm going to need in New York anyway, so yeah. Stocking up on food and snacks. I had said on my Instagram stories a couple of days ago that Japan is a very safe country, but look at how many stacks. That is very dangerous. So yeah, grabbing a couple of stuff to eat and stuff to drink. I've got some warm coffee. It's actually too warm, so that's why I'm holding it like this.
Ooh.
And yeah, we're gonna be heading back out in the cold, so we're gonna be shooting the stars pretty much the whole night. So gotta stay warm. Okay, so we made it to this location over here with the shrine and the Mount Fuji at the back. It's obviously very, very dark, so we can't see much. It's actually a photographer right there. Seems to be a pretty known spot, but we're gonna try to take some pictures, perhaps some time lapses of the sky, and hopefully we can see something. We're currently filming the time lapse. We can't see anything apart from the lights from the cameras and the city, but you'll see how the time lapse looks like once it's done.
If it actually comes out good.
So we finished shooting at the first location where we got some sort of like star movement. Hopefully it's gonna turn out pretty good. But now we're going to the Familesu to kind of like regroup, rest, get some warmth, get some food. The cold outside is actually pretty draining and we get hungry from that. So yeah, looking forward to getting some warmth.
It's cold.
It is, it's freezing. Have some cabbage on the side of the road and they're obviously like completely frozen. Looks very sad, but smells a bit strange as well. Is it good?
What?
We got food again. We've been eating so much. We gotta survive in this cold weather. So got myself some shogayaki. Kohki got some what is that? Bread and beef stew.
Yeah.
And I think Kiara got some karage. Yeah, some karage. So yeah, gonna be eating this so that I can survive the winter in this cold area. Kohki has been driving up for like the past couple of hours since we finished eating. We just got to our next spot. Obviously, I can't see anything on this side, but we're setting up the tripods. We're probably gonna spend a couple of hours sleeping while we have the time lapse going on, and then in the morning, hopefully, we'll catch some sunrise shots with the drones. But in the meantime, we just have our tripods and our cameras on it, and we're gonna set up the tripod and just wait here for a couple of hours while the time-lapse is finishing. So the tripods are set, the cameras are set, and Mount Fuji is on that side, and the time-lapse is going on, so we're gonna sleep for maybe 2 hours.
Oh shit. Oh.
Okay, so we just had a bunch of trouble on those very narrow, windy roads trying to get through, but the sun is rising right now. It's probably soon the peak colors. Look at the gradient. Mount Fuji is beautiful there, and I'm gonna get the shots that I need because the colors are nice right now. There's a bunch of photographers with us. This is the situation right now. I'm currently getting ready to fly my drone. Hopefully get some nice shots. Getting the shots for sunrise. The light is kind of like very bright right now, so it's still pretty to see, but not the best light to shoot anymore. And now the guys are getting a couple of like B-roll shots.
It's not as close as you get this sign and stuff. Oh well.
And yeah, so just like wrapping up a couple of last sequences, and probably gonna be heading back down. Found this vending machine. Not sure what this is, but like one-piece vending machines, and you can I guess you can buy some souvenirs and stuff. Right? It's pretty cool. Never seen those before.
It's 9 a.m.
This is Jerome. My vlog. Literally just sleeping. Go follow me.
It's 9 a.m.
I thought I'd take a quick nap while Kiara was eating, and I woke up and nobody's beside me. They just abandoned me in the middle of this eating area. Now I'm trying to look for them, but I can't find them. I came back all the way to the car. The car is still here in the parking lot, but no one is to be found. So I feel like they're playing hide and seek with me. They might be somewhere, but yeah, I can't find them. Okay, I found them. They're like right behind the corner.
Where'd you go?
Far away. I know, you need a legit lens. Like,
It is far away.
I'm gonna try and like...
Got it.
Oh, that was good. Okay, so this is the final spot on our mini road trip under the lake with a pretty sick reflection. The guys are here taking the last couple of shots. The light is becoming pretty nice right now. Actually, it's kind of like red. So yeah, looking forward to getting some more shots right now. I just finished flying my drone. It went well. I didn't have much battery, but that's alright. I got like one usable footage, so it's all good. This is how many people there are at this spot. It's pretty famous and it's spacious as well, so there's plenty of space for people to park their cars. But yeah, understandably, there's a lot of people because of the view here. Done with the shots, we're wrapping up, trying to leave as soon as possible because the sunset is over and everyone else is going to be going back towards Tokyo and the highway is going to be crowded. So we're trying to avoid all the crowd and the traffic. So yeah, gonna hop on the car and go back home to Tokyo as soon as possible.
Yo, what's up guys? This is Jerome coming at you with another vlog.
People over here. Last pit stop we stopped on the side because we were kind of hungry. We needed to go to the loo, and we're kind of stuck in traffic right now. So yeah, we stopped at this place where they're selling some good food. So so yeah, I'm super hungry. So we're gonna get something to eat. It's kind of cold right now, so I'm gonna go inside and get some warm food.